Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? I got home from work early today and I was kind of just chilling, like sitting around not doing much. So I decided that I'm gonna go make an exhaust video for you guys. This is the RK Titanium track exhaust. It's just the catback. I'm on stock downpipe. The only other upgrade that I have is Cobb Redline series intake. I can actually show you real quick. It's a little dirty under here, but this thing is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And then I got the alternator cover to go with it. A little spice underneath there. I do not have a downpipe on this thing yet, and this exhaust has no resonator, no mufflers. It's just 3-inch titanium piping, and it sounds amazing. If you like a loud exhaust, you're probably gonna like this thing. My car is kind of dirty right now. Maybe I wash it today, I don't know. My exhaust tip is also super scratched up. It might be a little bit hard to see right now. You can see a little bit of it, but it's even worse. Every morning I have to put this in because my neighbors don't like me waking them up at 6:30, and then their kids are up, so it's just not a good time. So I put that in there, try and help out a little bit. Actually, after I moved on this side of the house, it got much better because obviously my house blocks them a little bit more. Anyways, let's get to this. I'm gonna set up the GoPro, set it up in a couple different spots for you guys. That way you can get like inside footage, inside with the windows down, outside footage, all that good stuff. So let me get you set up and we'll get right to it. This thing so much. This is the loudest it gets off the cold start. It's about to tone down right now, but it still sounds amazing even when it does. It's getting there. Definitely much quieter now. You can probably hear me a lot better. But obviously it tones down, sounds different. But when it cracks open like that, this thing sounds so mean. Like so mean. And when you're underneath like wide open throttle on a pull, it definitely cracks open a lot different than if you don't give it all it's got, you know what I mean? Super sick exhaust. Now we're down to idle. I have it set to right about 1,000 RPM, so it sounds so good sitting at idle. Let's get it. We're gonna start off with the windows down, and then I'll put them up after a little while. I love when there's buildings to echo off of. Oh. By the way, for those of you who don't know, this is downtown of the hometown that I live in. Lived here my whole entire life. 23 years. The fuck? Always spinning them. That squirrel almost got popped. Low fuel. The windows up, this exhaust honestly is not that bad. It really doesn't even sound that loud. As soon as you crack those windows though. Fourth gear around 2400 RPM. You can barely even hear the exhaust. Highway when you're sitting around 3K, you know, if you're bombing 75, 80 miles an hour. Hey, Mike! If you're bombing like 75, 80 miles an hour in 6th gear and you're right around 3K RPMs, it definitely, I don't know if I'd consider it drone, but you know, with my music turned up to like 25, which I don't know if you don't have a Subaru or whatever, you're not going to understand that, but with my music turned up pretty high, I can still hear it, you know, it's bah in the background. Mid downshift, if I go to 3rd, let's see, and I'll sit around 3K for a second. You know, you can hear that you definitely get that, and you know, 6th gear on the highway, you can definitely hear it over your music. Nothing crazy though. My little windows up, little pull. Since my gas light came on, I guess it's time to go to the gas station. So we're gonna go there, and then after that, I kind of want to figure out another way to set this camera up. Not necessarily for the sound of the exhaust, but just for like a cool view, quick clip that I could put in, and we'll see how it sounds too. Maybe the wind noise isn't that bad, but right now I'm headed to the gas station, and I'm gonna fill this bitch up. It's probably gonna cost $70 because the gas prices are ridiculous, but that's beside the point. We're gonna go get filled up so we can keep driving, and yeah, I'll catch y'all in a bit. We are here. Shell because all I ever run is V-Power, nothing but it. All right, well, it is time to fill up. Let's see what we're at for a price here. $5.39. That is gross, but we gotta do it. If you didn't know, you can use that. Yeah.
How do you like that GoPro?
It's fucking awesome.
Is it the new one?
No, it's the 8.
It's the 8?
Yeah,
I was looking some discounts around, Black Friday. They were like kind of almost half of the price, the original price with the bundle and stuff.
That's what you gotta do. There's no point in getting a brand new one because you know in the next year they're gonna come out with another one.
Like, I don't feel comfortable putting it on my minivan, you know? How was everything?
Everything's awesome, man. Living it up, you know?
24-1 stop split.
You're gonna be famous now.
Am I?
Yeah. Came out to 71 bucks for 13 gallons. Lord help me. So I'm just gonna do a couple flybys outside the car. I'm gonna set up the GoPro and hopefully I can get some decent clips for you guys. All right, let's see how this looks. Beautiful. We got a bunch of runners coming down the road. They probably think I'm crazy. All right, that was more fun than I thought. Makes me want to take more exhaust videos. I can't wait to go home and see how these look. It's gonna be sweet. I hope those angles are good for you guys. As long as the sound quality is good on a couple of them, I'm good. Because when I looked at it on the little screen on the GoPro, it looked really good. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. We are now by my high school. Good old high school. Only one on the island. There's a high school and then there's a charter school, but that's it. Windows down. Only skate park on the island too. Literally one high school, one skate park, one ice arena. That's it. That I'm concerned about is if that footage came out good. I guess the only way to find out is to get home, upload it on my computer, and get to work. Footage for you guys to get a little bit of an understanding on exactly how this thing sounds. Well, how it sounds through a camera anyways, because let me tell you, this exhaust sounds so damn good in person. It's been a couple months since I've had it, and I literally can't get over it. Obviously, I love my car, I love cars, I love exhaust noise, but like, it just sounds so good. There is not a single part of it that doesn't sound good. literally everything sounds good about it. The lows, the highs, the pulls, the declines, like everything sounds good. And I'm pretty sure it has no drone. I straight up don't even really know what drone is. I just know it's something to do with being mad annoying on the highway or mad annoying driving it. It's not annoying. It's definitely loud, but it's not annoying. And you don't get any like weird, you don't get any weird sounds, you know? If you're driving on the highway for a long period of time, it just, you know, it just sits at that one spot. But that note isn't necessarily that loud. If you like the sound of the exhaust, but you don't want it to be that loud, especially if you have a downpipe, it'll probably be extremely loud. They do offer a signature exhaust. I believe it's called the signature exhaust. So go on Arcade Titanium website and they have the signature exhaust. That I believe has mufflers. You might want to double check, but I believe that has mufflers. Again, I thank you guys so much for watching the whole video. If you got this far, drop a thumbs up because you made it through my whole video. You know, you know what I'm saying. Thank you guys so much for watching. I enjoyed the whole experience recording yet again. And I'm stoked to make more videos. So if you guys enjoyed it, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!